Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 13 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and safety inspection. Step number 13 is a complete metering device operations check. So the metering device is what changes the refrigerant from a liquid to a vapor inside the cooling coil so that we can remove the heat from your home. There's two types. There's a piston and then a TXV. If those aren't operating properly, we can't flash the refrigerant, which means we can't remove the heat from your home. So we got to get back inside this coil, which will already be inside, and check and make sure all that stuff is doing what it's supposed to. Most people would skip that step because they go, oh, the unit runs, I've got a good cool air coming into the house. But it's real important for your utility. It's real important for wear and tear on the compressor outside. It's real important that that thing really is dialed in and working as it should. The manufacturer has certain tolerances that it's supposed to run inside of, and we want to verify that all that stuff's working, and if not, make some simple adjustments to make that happen. It'll help you with your utility bill, help you with cooling your home, and just overall make you more comfortable and give you longevity with the equipment. So please get your tune-up done, follow it up with a good solid maintenance program, and keep this equipment running for its full life expectancy. See you on the next video.